Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two easy methods on how to pin or show the this PC icons in your Windows 11 desktop or home screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type on settings. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, click on Open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of the screen where you can see there a list of the option. Please look for personalization. So click on it, and under the personalization, you need to proceed with themes. Under the themes, there is a related settings there where you can see desktop icon settings. Now click on this forward arrow and a small window would appear which is this. Okay? So here it will show you all the desktop icons that you can add or that you can show here at the desktop. And if you'd like to add your this PC here, which is this, you need to check the computer, which means this PC. And the moment you do that, please click on apply and it will be added here and click on OK to complete the procedure. Once done, you have just successfully added or shown the this PC icon here at the desktop. So this is the very first method on how you can do so. The second method is very easy. Just have to do a right click here at the desktop screen where no specific icon or application is being selected, and please scroll down and go with personalize. Once you do that, you can go with themes. Okay, navigate the same way that we have visited earlier and click on desktop icons. Okay, and the moment you do that, close or minimize the settings window and click on computer, click on apply and then okay. And this way you would be able to add this PC icons here in your Windows 11 desktop or home screen. So that's it. This is very good, especially if you want to access your computer management. You can simply do a right click here. You can go with show more options and you can also go with managed. And in this way, you would be able to access the computer management window easily. Okay, so here it is. You can also double tap to it if you'd like to check the disk PC, if you'd like to give an eye about your devices and drives, and there you have that. You will be able to see to show or to see all the devices and drive that is being present here in your Windows or computer. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.